welcome to our channel Practical Study Planet. Please subscribe our channel if yet not subscribed it and press bell icon for further updates. Today we will learn about Accounting Lecture 6 Rectification of Error. What is the rectification of error? What types of errors in accounting? Understanding with examples and their rectification. What role of trial balance in rectification of error? Why is suspense account and what would be accounting treatment for it? Let's move on. What is rectification of error? To remove or make corrections of wrong entry in accounting is called rectification of error. Simply we can say reverse of error logically could be the rectification of error. As accuracy is the key to solid base of accounts to take business decisions accordingly. That's why this study is much more important to learn to prepare accurate accounts reporting by rectification the errors if any. When there is no error, so the accounting record and reporting will be based for the good decisions. Now, types of errors in accounting. There could be 5 types of error in accounting: error of digits or figures, error of omission, error of commission, error of principal, error of compensation or compensating error. First of all, we will study about error of digits or figures. If any mistake in amount while passing entry due to any reason is called error of digit or figure. For example, 1. Mr. Simon sold goods worth 5,200 to Mr. Clay on 3rd Jan 2023, but posted amount 2,500 wrongly, as below example. Mr. Clay debit 2,500 and credit sales credit 2,500. Rectification of such error: instead posting amount to 5,200, posted 2,500. The difference 2,700 less posted. So for correction again, one entry to be posted of amount 2,700 in same way. Increase debit account and increase credit account to get the actual entry effect as below. Mr. Clay will be debited more 2,700 and sales credit will be increased 2,700 more. So the error has been finished. The effect of error has been finished. Another example, we will see that if any mistake in amount while passing entry due to any reason is called the error digit. So for example, to Mr. Simon sold goods worth 5,200 but to Mr. Clay on 3rd Jan but posted amount 52,000 as below. Mr. Clay debit 52,000 wrongly, sales credit 52,000 wrongly, so it is extra posted. So what we'll do in rectification of such error, instead posting amount 5,200, the posted for 52,000, the difference 46,800 posted more. So for correction again, one entry to be posted of amount 46,800 in reverse way. Decrease the debit account and decrease the credit account to get the actual entry effect. So the sales credit will be debited 46,800 and Mr. Clay, so it will be credited 46,800 to cancel the wrong effect which extra posted before. In third example, this is only possible in manual books of accounts. Mr. Simon sold goods worth 52,000 to Mr. Clay and posted Mr. Clay account 5,200. But the sales amount posted 2,500. One account is wrong, one is okay. In accounting software it is not possible because the both debit and credit should be same, otherwise we cannot save the entry. So Mr. Clay debited accurately, no problem, there is no mistake in Mr. Clay account, while in the sales account is mistake, there is posted 2,500. So the correction will be in sales account we will credit more 2,700 which was missing, which was the less posted. So in manual books of account it is possible only, while in the accounting software it will not happen because the debit and credit amount will be always equal. Otherwise, we cannot able to save the entries posted in the accounting software. The second type of error is error of omission. In any transaction, entry missed or forgot to post is called the error of omission. For example, Mr. Simon sold goods for 5,200. Same example we are using the Mr. Clay on 3rd Jan, but no entry posted in the books of account. So simply the solution of this rectification of such error is that one. We just will post the entry when we receive the information. Mr. Clay will be debited 5,200 and sales will be credited 5,200. The third error of commission. While posting entry from account selected of same class is called error of commission. For example, Mr. Simon sold good to worth 5,200 to Mr. Clay, debtor, on 3rd Jan, but account selected Mr. William, which is another debtor of our company, wrongly. So Mr. William debited wrongly 5,200 and sales credit. Sales account is okay. Mr. William is wrong account because here we used to Mr. Clay account. So what will be the solution of this one? Let's see. The rectification of such error will be, instead of posting account Mr. Clay, concerned debtors, posted account Mr. William, non-concerned debtor. So for the correction of one entry to be posted of Mr. Clay debit, so the actual account will be debited. So Mr. William is not related to us. We will credit in the entry to cancel the error and getting the actual entry effects. When debited, now credited, the Mr. Williams account will be nil. Now the fourth error of principle. While posting entry, if fundamental principle of accounting is neglected or ignored, is called the error of principle. Such revenue expenses treated as capital expenditure as vice versa. Same, and maybe this is an example. For example, Mr. Simon repaired 5,000 vehicle but debited vehicle account instead of repair account wrongly, as below. Vehicle account debited, vehicle repaired 500, petty cash head office account credited because from petty cash paid that expense. So that is the expense revenue account, not the asset account. So the rectification will be, instead of posting repair account revenue expenditure, posted vehicle account treated as capital expenditure. So for correction, one entry to be posted of repair account debit and vehicle account credit to cancel the error and getting the actual entry effect as below. Repair account debit and vehicle account is credit. The fifth one, compensating error. While posting entry, if debit side wrong total of one or more accounts is equal to the credit side wrong total of one or more accounts, means debit side error is cancelling the effect of credit side error by compensating the error at both ends, as this error will cause no disagreement in the trial balance. For example, Mr. Simon purchased goods amounting 5,000 from Mr. Joseph but posted amount both side 500 wrongly. So there will be the debit and credit side will be okay, but the actual transaction is not okay. So this error will not cause any disagreement in the trial balance. So rectification of such error, what we will do when we receive the information. So instead of posting 5,000, we posted 500. So the 4,500 less posted at both ends. So for such correction, one entry to be posted with amount 4,500 in the same way for getting the actual entry effect as below. Purchase account debit 4,500 and Mr. Joseph credit, because this 4,500 less posted. Now it is corrected. Note, this error is also of error of digit. One error might be of two categories in accounting, two because of amount error. Now we study about what is the role of trial balance in rectification of error. Trial balance is the summary of all accounting entries having two column, debit side and credit side. If both side total is not same, then we can say there must be accounting error. In manual books of accounting this may happen, whereas in accounting software debit and credit unbalancing restricted. If both sides total is same, then we can say that surely there must be no mistake in the account. So there might be mistake due to compensating error, or there might not be any mistake mistake found, it could be indicated. So by individual accounts are accounts holder. Why is suspense account and what would be the accounting treatment for it? In manual books of accounting, if trial balance not tally, then one account, suspense account, is used to tally the amount of affected side if reason is unknown, for increase or decrease of debit or credit side. Whereas in accounting software, if any shortage or excess of an account amount due to unknown reason, then suspense account is used to post the at least one account is inactual. The suspense account is nothing, it must be closed by finding the missing reason and then post to complete the missing effect, or ultimately needs to close with profit or loss account if any. Suspense account error example we will see here. For example, while preparing bank reconciliation statement, if any direct deposit 500 received in bank statement but the depositor data is unknown, then following entry to be posted to close the bank account as per bank statement as below. Bank account will be debited in cash book because we received the information we received, but we don't know from which account this payment has been received. So the second one, the credit account, will be used as a suspense account. Suspense account error rectification: when information received that the direct deposit 500 deposited by our debtors Mr. Clay, then for correction one entry to be posted with the amount 500 in reverse way for getting the actual entry effect as below. The suspense account will be debited to cancel the effect of suspense account for the closing. So because now we found out the reason from where we get the payment, Mr. Kile, so the 500 will be debited and Mr. Kile will be credited. Now the actual entry effect we get. In this way, suspense account close, so accounting record will be updated accurately. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and be connected with us for such informative videos.